laughing and then deleting whatever we're watching. I do not put gotta go and pick her.
It's always in the long stand I look at. Watch him in the correct your boat and now your saddle.
But I won't be able to. Not interested. How about Miles? I like criminal.
Even you'll ever be.
Trigger wants to play games?
Yeah. There's no way you're winning this gun. Saddle, I thought we were competing to catch more criminals. Do you seriously think you're gonna win? Someone hitting it 3 times around town and catch a bunch of crims.
You can take that.
I'm so sorry. I don't have any change. Just mail ticket to the man says and I will pay. Wait a second. Are you illegally? How's Coyote weekend?
Almost all that.
Where's Ray?
Passed out in the other room.
Why?
Because I keep telling him to stop buying gas masks from guys in gas station parking lots, but he keeps doing it anyway.
That's so cheap. Guys, quiet. Coyote weekend builds to this moment.
What, Coyote? You can talk now? It would appear that I can, and I'll make you a cup of tea.
Wait, Jacob's Coyote is British.
Yes, makes this.
Just watch. This explains.
Honey, is it possible that the cricket noise is the ringtone on your phone?
I don't have a phone, remember? Some boys stole it. That's why I'm always angry. It's kind of my origin story.
That's my origin story.
No. And I remember because I wrote it up to myself in my phone. Okay, which one of you are twins?
Someone call him. It does not matter.
No problems.
Oh man, I have a lot of voicemails. You guys are gonna chase me out of the room while kicking me in the butts, right?
Yeah, all of them. You're not gonna go with us?
I did want to kick balls in the butts, but for some reason, I feel like the universe is telling me to remain here for now. What's up with you?
Or and the contest future.
Saw the little guy that stole it. We did the
We were winning.
No, you weren't.
No.
Yes.
And how many criminals are on each team?
10 for a total of 30
Oh,
criminals.
come on!
I do believe that is one more than 33.
So, we try to get this scoreboard or something?
Not even a
You were so soft. Why did he win?
I don't know.
It's not fair.
No, this reminds me. You're familiar with James Phillips franchise, right? Well, I remember back in the time before JC came into my life.
2 days ago.
That's right. Anyway, when Jacob and Coyote are on the way back from Mars with the new...
Wait, Mars?
Yeah. Amazing, right?
I don't want to hear about Jacob's Coyote. I want to hear that we live in a world where hard work pays off the answers to all your problems, so just walk in through a door.
Hey there, but you're going to love it. I don't have any money. Can I pay for my puree with this stolen saddle?
Did she just say stolen saddle?
She did. And what are the chances her name is Big Herb?
That's my dad's name.
It's like the answer to all your problems. Just walk through that door, my friend.
Do not let her leave.
Hey, you.
Me?
Yeah, don't leave.
Okay.
Hey, you.
I said I wasn't leaving, and my name isn't you. It's
Priscilla.
why is everyone yelling at me?
Oh, do you want me to yell at you? As soon as I did, the salespeople walked right through the door with the saddle. So, I know what to do, dear brother.
Yes, you did.
Thank you.
By walking the way of the miles.
No.
You finally sat back and let the criminal come to you.
It was just a coincidence.
I think you learned something from me today, Mika.
I've learned nothing from no one.
You've learned that the way of the miles is a superior path.
You're welcome. I am not. Well, what is going on over there? There's no learning. Danger. There's no changing. The only mistake I made was that I didn't get to be bathing in the tears of my happy father. Yeah, what? And trying out for the fluffy towel of my heart.
Is she okay? I do not know.
In my neighborhood, I won.
That's silly with the bird.
The snow is down, and I'm not changing or learning ever.
What do you think of?
Thank you, Mrs. Osprey.
How long do you think you'll be yelling this time?
Oh, this is gonna be a long one.
Okay.
Jumping, party, famous, slime. Music, slip it, flip it, slime. Now, and don't miss the slimiest party of the year. The Kids' Choice Awards, June 25th on Nickelodeon.
Vámonos.
Where are we going, Señora?
Soul Dorado.
Lead the way, cousin.
I don't know. Last week I left behind a big bracelet as the key to the door.
You're being chased outside the hunting mercenaries. Stop that. As there is his own.
Personal hygiene service. Personal hygiene service. Let me sneeze, boyo. You're a personal hygienist now.
Woohoo! Yay!
Break time, SpongeBob. Take 5. But hurry back. You gotta start earning that penny. Work back is Tuesday. Windows make the patties. I have to do everything now. Mr. Squidward, call the fire department!
No need to call him, Mr. Krabs. We'll be there in 5 minutes, depending on traffic.
Now Mary is going to be brunette reporter Evelyn Hall is arriving on scene. Evelyn.
Thanks, Trent. I'm here in Swellview Park. In fact, this is the place where I got engaged last month to a man.
Okay. But what's happening with Captain Man and Kid Danger?
Yeah! Come on! Hey, Jen! There's a news crew here! Be right back. What? What are you doing? No, you can't. You gotta fight these guys. Hey! Captain Man here. What's going on? Hey, Emily?
It's a man gave it to me.
Hey, dude, I really need your help. Just a second. No, these guys are big, man. They're bad. Who asked you to marry?
My cameraman, right there.
What, this guy? Hey! So, you went from Captain Man to Cameraman. Oh, that's good.
Shouldn't you be helping Kid Danger?
Nice fun. I'm not fine! You see, Kid Danger's got hypermotility. Captain Man, can you come here right now, please? You're lucky he needs me.
You heard it here first. Kid Danger has hypermotility.
How's it going? Do you have any water? Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up, crime fighters? And oh my god, I smell chicken wings. Hey, what's going on? What are you guys watching?
It's the news report about you.
And they're talking about.
According to Captain Man himself, Kid Danger has been stricken with a serious rare disease known as hypermotility.
Wait, what disease? What are you talking about? Disease? Here with us now in studio is rare disease expert, Dr. Andrew Survey. Good afternoon, Trent. What can you tell us about this disease, hypermotility? I've never heard of it. Interesting. But I will say diseases in general can cause big problems. I see. And in what ways do you feel that hypermotility?
Nobody under 65 watches the news anymore.
Yeah. So check social media. Oh, yeah. Social media is the real news. Check it.
Let's see.
If you have a weed sauce. Oh, give me a whip right there. It's rare. No, like, yeah, but like, on the side. And no, but you got it.
Okay, trending topics. Number 5, goodbye Kid Danger.
See, I knew it. Well, what's number 4 say?
Pray for Kid Danger.
And 3,
Kid Danger R.I.P.
2,
Remembering Kid Danger.
number 1.
Hypermotility kills.
Dang it! No, don't touch me! What? No. Dude, I'm not actually sick. I don't take risks. It all just gotta happen. I wanted an after-school job. And then, an indestructible superhero hired me to be his sidekick. Now we blow bubbles and fight crime. Feels good. Down perfectly. No, she don't. Okay, why are you standing here counting rocks?
For the rock box dump.
The rock. What is the rock box dump?
The rock box dump is what people are doing to help raise money for Kid Danger and increase awareness of
Oh
hypermotility.
my God, listen to me. Kid Danger isn't sick, okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Have you seen the top 11 trending topics?
Yeah, I've seen the 11. Look, guys, hypermotility is a superpower, okay?
Well, I mean, sure. I guess that's a positive way of looking at it.
Wait, Piper! Dude, she really sounds like you. Hey, Ray, I really need you. Whoa. Dude, let's go. Are you okay? What happened? This little guy tried to escape. Well, many people said Kid Danger. All these gift baskets full of food. Dear Kid Danger, we hope these banana nut muffins will give you comfort and joy in your final days. Yeah, everybody thinks you're doomed. Oh, dude, I can't believe you ate all these baskets. I'm gonna puke. And puke after we. Oh, that was a bee in the man cave. Oh, my tummy hurts so bad. I hate beets, dude. Dude, the bee just stung my tongue. Oh, don't make me laugh. All right. I need you to help me do this live stream. Why? Cause I need everyone to know that that Kid Danger isn't sick. All right, go set up the live stream. All right, on it. Dang it!
Told you not to make me laugh.
Come on, guys, let's hustle it up. We gotta get these rocks to Swellview Park. Look there!
It's a new day at Fred Lobster.
Who knows what?
We have word that Captain Man and Kid Danger are about to do a live stream to address Kid Danger's severe case of hypermotility.
And I'm going to take this opportunity to show what a good person I am by dumping rocks on my head.
Mary, I don't think that's such a good idea. Yes, gobbledygoo to everyone. That poor kid.
Hurry! Kid Danger might not last much longer, so he needs our awareness. So let's go drop these rocks on my head. Go! 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 Oh, I need my hat.
says your tongue swelling should go down in 15 to 30 minutes.
I so hope so.
I don't know what you just said, but okay.
Hey guys.
Hey, Charlotte, I hope I can see our live stream.
Yeah, they're talking about.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, now let's take a look at the next clip.
No close.
Well, now it seems his hypermotility is affecting his tongue-heel motion, which is why he sounds like. Right. And obviously, the only reason Kid Danger is denying his illness is to be brave in the face of his battle with certain doom. Sadly, I think his next live stream might be a dead stream.
Wow. What?
But it's hardcore news. Local tweet.
Okay, here's 220 more. And 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 1,524 rocks. Yeah, man. Now, Jorge, go over there by those trees and get us ready for the drop.
Yeah, sure.
Attitude.
Piper! Hey, Piper! Hey, hang on.
Yeah?
I'm thinking this isn't such a smart idea.
Well, if you think that, then it's gotta be smart.
Thanks. Wait,
Hey, do you know how to use a forklift?
I know how to use a fork.
Good enough. Get on that forklift and drive it over there by that big sign.
Alright.
Everybody, 5, 4, 3.
Stop the dump.
Ow! How rude!
Shouldn't you be in the hospital or something?
No! These kids live streaming?
Yeah.
Good. How's your tongue? Better. Go talk. Okay, hey, listen to me. I'm not sick, okay?
Liar!
But no, I'm telling the truth.
Look, Kid Danger, you don't have to pretend for us. We know you're doomed,